Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Omar, and today we're going to be fishing some brackish water. We're going to be looking for redfish, trout, and some bass. So we'll see if we can get these fish to bite today. It was a pretty cold morning. It was about 30 degrees this morning, and it's supposed to be a high of 52. So we're bundled up, trying to stay comfortable and trying to look for a bite. So y'all stay tuned, and hopefully we can find them. All right, so I'm seeing a lot of activity on the bottom there. We'll see. I'm seeing some stuff hit on the surface. Might be some white trout. These water levels are down way low, probably a good 3 feet, I think. So we'll see here. I think we're gonna have to slow down our presentation on a lot of this stuff. Got him. Yeah, white trout. Very subtle in their bites. That's also what's hitting on the surface. There we go. I think let's drop a Vudu shrimp. Got a little more exposure on the hook with that guy. So I'm seeing a lot of marks. I think there are a lot of white trout in here. Let's see, Vudu shrimp going out. Got me in reverse right now. Spend a few minutes here. We got about 4 hours to fish, so I want to move along, try to find some redfish. There he is. Yeah. Oh, that's a speckled. Eat the shrimp. There it is. There's a school of them down there. Thanks, buddy. We got our Vudu shrimp here. It's a 3 1/4 inch, 1/4 ounce in brown color. I'm gonna throw him back out. That water is ice cold. I think these fish are stacked up all on the bottom. Just had something bite there. There he is. A little bit better one, felt better. Rowdy guy. Oh. All right, let's work the channel here, or the edge of it. But man, look at all this right here. They are all in here. There he is. It's a better one. That's a speckled trout. That's why. No drag on this. I mean, not the. Oh, we dropped him. There he is. Little speck. Don't splash on my drink, dude. Small guys. Eating a small shrimp. I felt like something. I think it was just a branch. Something there. Speckled trout. Guess that first one was a fish. Nope, he's gone. There he is. They're down there, chilling all over the. Oh, it popped off. There he is. Better one. Felt better. Oh yeah, that's a better trout. Might net this guy real quick, just so that we can get. Oh, and he popped off right into the net. Beautiful. Right. We're gonna let you go, buddy. I just want to show you off. Super quick. He's not giving up. He might shake out of my hand here, which is fine. Probably a 13, 14. We're gonna go with 14. There he is. He's 14, almost 15. He's 15. He would keep, I think. Oh, he's gone. There he is. Decent one. Here we go. Felt decent. A little speck. I'll shake off here. It's hard with the drift. There he is. He went after that. Decent one right here. Looks like another 14, 15 incher. Oh yeah, for sure. See if I can get the reverse on him. Might end up flipping him in. Don't break my rod, buddy. Man, nice fish here. These trout are stacked up in here. Oh, good hook set on this guy. There he is. Probably another 15 incher, y'all. Beautiful. Tighten this line up from the last trip. There they are right there. Big old gar rolling on the surface. Just gonna see if I can pick up a good sized trout here. Oh, there he is. Came up. He smashed it just sitting there. Decent one too. Might be a little bit better than decent. That's a good one. Oh yeah, that's a solid fish. We got him. Nice. Probably a good 18 inches, 17, 18. I'm gonna put him at 18. So we can get it popped off here. There it is. Okay. Let's get this guy. Oh, there he is. Let's measure him. He is 18. Let's let him go. Beautiful. What's that? Oh no, he was 18. Yeah, I didn't bring a cooler with me. All right, set up for this guy. We got a MirrOdine or MirrOlure MR17, 14-pound fluorocarbon. I got a loop knot on this. All right, y'all. So we're gonna pull out this crankbait and see if we can get something to eat. This should dive pretty good. I want to say at least 7 or 8 feet. We're gonna put a loop knot on this one because it doesn't have a split ring. All right, y'all. Gonna try something different. Got this crankbait. I want to say he dives about 8 feet. It's my guess, 6 to 8. I'd have to look it up, but because I've had that in my tackle box for a while and rarely throw it. So we're gonna give it a shot today. Let's throw this guy out back. See if it'll do anything for us back there. So we'll say we'll save him, but I think he'll be back there doing some work, if anything. Maybe something will come up and eat it. But I do have a plan to use it further up the channel here, like I said, we'll probably just troll it a little bit better. It's just I know this spot has produced for me in the past with redfish and bass. Like there was some activity here. Oh, there was a tap, but there was something big over there. Man, I got distracted. I had a little tap there. There he is. Here he is. It's Mr. Redfish. Heck yeah. Come here, buddy. Come here, don't pop off. Heck yeah, man. Oh, splashing everywhere. Hopefully it didn't splash the camera. There we go. Man, he choked this thing. Heck yeah, made it happen. I was worried we weren't. Come on, buddy. Just trying to get this popped off. Where's it at? There we go. Man, let me make sure the camera's not splashed up too much. Alright. Check him out. Pretty one. Probably 14, 15. Thanks, buddy. Let's move along here. Oh, that's what I meant to send. Let me check here. There he is. Those redfish. Yeah, another one. Heck yeah, we found them. Not the biggest ones, but they're good. Heck yeah, thanks, buddy. Something there. He had already picked it up. I was still waiting for it to hit the bottom. That's a redfish. Heck yeah. Then I had my drag super loose. Oh. Might be a school of them there. All right, reds. This one's spotted up pretty good. 5 spots there. Nice. Thanks, buddy. Beautiful. There he goes. So, we're gonna take this guy that's already out. Here, I'll show him to you guys so that you can see what I'm working with here. We got a crankbait with the big lip on it. We're gonna troll this guy through here. Gonna make my way up the channel where we were catching those trout. And we're gonna see if maybe we can find a bass somewhere up there, but we're still gonna work some of that area up there and look for some redfish and more trout before we try to go further up the channel to look for those bass. I just want to see if anything's willing to eat this crankbait that dives pretty good. Oh. Something tapped it. There it is. There he is. Feels troutish. Let's see here. On the crankbait. That's a redfish. Oh, nice trout. He's probably gonna shake off. There he is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move over. Here we go. A lot of activity on the surface. think. There's no way I'm on the bottom there. I grab something? He's not swimming right. Unless I am on the bottom. Oh, there he is. There he is. That's a better fish. Catch that line up. Might be a redfish, I think, here. Good one, too. Here it comes. Oh, yeah. A little bit better redfish. Heck yeah, dude. That was cool. Come here, buddy. I should be netting this fish, but here we are. I think he's hooked pretty good. There we go. There's one. There's two. Oh man, stacked up trout right there. Y'all check him out. Let's measure him real quick. Beautiful fish right here. Let's measure him. He's about 18. I would go 17 and a half. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Nice. Heck yeah, man. That was awesome. Makes me want to troll that side too. Some just tapped it. Oh, there he is. Trout. Feels decent. Could be a small red. Yep, small redfish. Man! Dude. Come here, buddy. Beautiful blue tail on this guy. Man. Super cool. Let's push on out of here. Easy, easy. Oh, that one's gonna need pliers. For sure, I think. Oh yeah, he ate that good. Let's see here, buddy. Let me get you unhooked. Let me see, buddy. I gotta get that hook out first before I can get the other ones. Oh no, this is bad business here. Let's see. I can twist that one out. I gotta get them in the water quick. This one just... Sorry, buddy. Alright, hopefully he's okay. Alright, let's go down. We'll circle back, do another run at it. Something big here. Those gar. They come up on the surface and they... There he is. There he is. That's a good fish. Well, it felt good on the initial pull. That's definitely a redfish. We'll see here. He's anchored down pretty good. He ain't budging. There he is here. He's fighting. It's got to be a good sized fish here. There he is. He finally figured it out. See if I can get him away from the bank. This is a nice fish, y'all. This is going to be a solid fish. Hopefully he stays pinned. Try not to put a lot on him. He's staying on that bottom. Ain't coming up. Come on, buddy. He's taking us. I still haven't seen him. Got a lot of fight. There he is. Big fish. Oh man, it's gonna be a big redfish. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, man. This is awesome. He's digging. He ain't giving up. I'll get him up here in a second. Just keeping him pinned here. See how he's hooked. Oh. Let up a little bit. Got him right up under the chin. Nice redfish here. Beautiful. Man. Honestly, I thought I had snagged a log there. But then it started to move. Heck yeah, man. Get him here. We're gonna have to net this guy here. He's got a couple hooks there. Let's see if I can get him up on the left side, which is my preferred side for landing fish. I think he's toast here. Beautiful. All right, buddy. Man, solid redfish here. Let's see how we can get him unhooked. Get him underneath the plate here. Okay, let's get you in the water, buddy. Super quick. Man, solid redfish here. Y'all check him out. Beautiful. Let's let him go. Man, thanks, buddy. There he goes. Heck yeah, man. Alrighty, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Man, what an awesome day on the water, especially with that bull red. But plenty of action out here. I'm just glad I was able to make it out here, especially in these cold conditions. I know it seems beautiful just probably from the video, but it was chilly, a little bit windy. But overall, solid day. So appreciate y'all coming along. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, check out my other videos and consider subscribing. Catch y'all next time.